What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We are back after about a month wait since the last video, but more importantly, we are back with another truck mod. So let's go ahead, roll that intro, and get you guys a week-long cold start. So we got Perla set up here. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we are doing the mirrors with the turn signals in them. And with the turn signal mirrors, you get the pod lights. These lights, I believe, come on whenever you unlock the truck and maybe when you open the door. I'm not too sure on that one. But these mirrors, my buddy over at Autobionics, Mr. Ore, hooked me up on these. They did come with these caps that were already color matched. So if you guys have a truck 07 to 13 with this pink color, hit me up. I have the other one in the car. But yeah, he hooked us up with these mirrors for a great deal, so couldn't say no. If you guys didn't know, these mirrors are just plug and play. GM left all the connectors. Only thing you have to do is take out our stock one, install the new one, plug it in. So let's go ahead and get to it. So first, what I'm gonna do before I even try to take this stock one off is I'm gonna try to remove my mirror cap. As you guys just saw, the ones that Ore sold me had the color match one, and it's obviously not color matched to Pearl. So we're gonna try to take this off, and then I'm gonna start on this side, go ahead and get this one removed so we can install the new to us mirror. All right, guys, as you can see, got the first cap off. What I did was I used a flathead screwdriver to kind of pry around the top edge there. Well, not really pry, you have to kind of hit it outwards. And in the process of doing that, this bottom section actually detaches as well. So I let it come apart as one piece, and then I individually remove these clips so they wouldn't break. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take off this mirror. Okay, guys, so I'm like halfway done with this side here. As you can see, I got a mess. You do need to take off this piece right here, and obviously the door panel. I just plugged this one in just to make sure this wasn't gonna be a waste of a video. And as you can see, we have a turn signal. So this mirror that he did sell us does have the power folding capability, but until we get that, I'm not worried about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this side up and show you guys the finished product. All right, guys, got inside back together. As you can see, the mirror's all mounted up. Put our chrome cap back on it. Let's see what they look like. Now, I did mention I wasn't too sure about the pod light. Yeah, so that one might just come on whenever you unlock it and the headlights are on. So, not worried about that one at the moment. This is the main event right here. So what I did for the folding connector is I just taped that one up so no water or anything gets in there. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna just do the other side off camera, show you guys the finished product. All right guys, so before I close out this video, I did want to show you guys what these things look like at night. As you can see, you got obviously chrome cap on this one, chrome cap on this one. Both signals are in, and at night, this is what they look like. So, as you can see, work perfectly. If I throw the hazards on, they are in sync with my normal tail lights. So they work great, and they actually look very not great at night. In the daytime, you know, it's kind of whatever. Got an extra signal light, but at night, seeing this thing through the glass, very tasteful but simple mod. So hope you guys enjoyed. One thing I never did figure out when these are supposed to come on. I need to do some more research on that. They don't come on with the headlights or whenever you open the door. So let me unlock the door. So they don't come on there either. So I don't know if just the bulb is out or if I need to have that other harness connected, but not really worried about that. This right here is what I wanted, so I'm happy with it. Like I always say, guys, let me know if you have any questions about the install. A lot of you may already know. If you comment anything, I usually respond to the best of my ability, so I don't have any issues answering questions. Don't forget to follow me everywhere at Trent5Tree. I will put it on the screen right now. And yeah guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this upload, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Yeah, you be domination, yo.